So that's how you wanna play it. Let's see. Templeton Timothy, middle name. I'm sorry. Leslie! Mosley says,
How do you know that?
can't ride a bike without training wheels. Even bears can't ride a bike without training wheels. Leslie? Joby says you are 7.
7.5.
Power nap. You were saying.
I'm 7.5.
Exactly, you are old. It's time to make way for the next generation. It's the way of the world. You would never ask your parents for an old toy.
Lem Lem?
Everyone wants the hot new thing. Destroy.
Lem Lem!
I got fresh batteries! Boom!
Mom and Dad don't even know you. Don't. They love me!
Oh yeah, do the math, kid. There's only so much love to go around. It's like these beads. You used to have all your parents' love, all their time, all their attention. You had all the beads. But then I came along. Babies take up a lot of time. They need a lot of attention. They get all the love.
We could share.
You obviously didn't go to business school.